Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain subquery in the from clause. So this is the syntax. The query that you place in the from clause must have table alias. So we have to give some table alias. Here I have given cus. So let's see how do we use subquery in the from clause. It's a very simple, like select a star from. So instead of the table I just given a query, subquery, which returns some result, and then I give an alias cus, means customer data. Let's return. So first subquery returns the result, geography key and count of the geography key, and then same data I am fetching using outer query, select a star from, instead of table subquery, and the name of subquery is cus. So in the next video I will explain correlated subquery. This is one of the important concept in SQL Server. Thank you.